Sa warning label, naka-timer yung...
Fort! Takbo! Lu! Tara, tara, bilis! Akyat, dali! Lu, kunin mo yung baril ko! Dali! Bilis! Hatak! Hatak! Basil, bilis!
Buti na lang nahanap nyo kami. Kung hindi, giniling na kami ngayon.
Pasalamat ka dahil sa inyo yung backpack na nakita natin. Dahil may tracking device yung satellite communications. Magamit si VR, si Commander Rafael, na tracer para mahanap kayo.
So yung megalomaniac na General Mati pala, ang nag-hostage dito sa secret missile base na ito. At sila yung mga Navy SEALs na pinadala para pang counter-attack sa mga terorista.
At ang sabi ni Commander Delmar, na malamang si Patty, hostage si General Mati ngayon. Bestre, sorry at napahama kong kapatid mo.
Base, ano ba naman ang laban mo sa mga teroristang may baril?
Gumagana ba?
Ewan ko, the SATCOM is badly damaged. And the battery took a couple shots. But I think I can make it work.
VR, ibig ba sabihin nun pag nakakontak tayo sa Camp Aguinaldo, marirescue na tayo?
At magpapadala pa ng reinforcements?
Hintayin na lang natin ang bago naming order.
I got through. Bravo Command, come in. This is SEAL Team Alpha, over. Bravo Command, come in. This is Commander Delmar. Please.
Alpha Team, we read you, but your transmission is weak. Sir, the signal is subterranean.
Commander, we thought you were taken out.
Hold on, General. I'll put you on a speakerphone. Sir, we were ambushed. They were ready for us. Only Commander Rafael and I are left.
Malabo nang ma-accomplish ang mission.
Sir, may nasangkot ang mga teenagers dito sa operation namin.
Ano ang ginagawa ng mga batang yun doon?
They were on a camping trip when they stumbled on a complex. Sir, one of the female teenagers was captured by the General's men.
Makakadagdag pa sa gulo yung mga batang yan.
Sir, ano po ang bago naming order?
Get the children out, abort the mission, and pull out now.
Ano? Paano na kapatid ko?
Hindi tayo pwedeng umalis nang wala si Patty.
Sir, what about our mission?
General Mati launched a missile and wiped out Marines Island. Any other attempt on our part will make him launch another missile.
Yung silaw kagabi.
SEAL Team, we're preparing a final strategic option.
A full air strike to collapse the mountain.
Airstrike?
Papasabugin nila ang buong bundok?
What about my sister?
I'm sorry, kids. Pero yun lang ang tanging paraan para makasigurado tayong hindi mapapalipad ni General Mati yung iba pang mga missiles.
Excuse me, sigurado ba kayo ilolon si General Mati yung nuclear missiles?
Ano, Blue?
Nagda-drugs ka ba, iho? Pinasabog niya na ang Marines. Hindi siya magdadalawang isip na ubusin ang lahat ng isla dito sa Pilipinas.
Kasi kanina, bago kami pagbabarilin, nakita naming dinidismantle yung ulo ng missile.
They were taking the nuclear warheads apart?
What's the General up to?
Kailangan malaman natin. We have to send them back to find out.
Sir, the SATCOM is badly damaged. Our communication may be cut soon. We'll have no way of reporting back to you.
We have ground troops at the front perimeter of the complex. You can report to Major Arcega what your reconnaissance turns up.
What about the other hostages and their friend?
I'm sorry, Commander, but both governments have decided that the lives of the hostages in this crisis is acceptable loss.
Si Patricia ang pinag-uusapan nyo. Kaibigan namin.
Sir, what if we proceed with our mission?
Commander, it's next to impossible for you to rescue the hostages.
General, I'm volunteering.
Pati ako. Ako din. Game.
Guys,
Kitten, si Patty.
sige na nga. Ako na rin.
I guess ako rin.